That's what we're doing today. Today we got to get out here and we're gonna change this right here. This is the rear brake assembly right here. So we got to change this for a new one that I have in this box. At the same time, I have to put on this right here. This is a brake solenoid. This got to go on. It's all equipment right here that I grind and got smooth. This all old equipment, so I just grind them down. You know, grind down all the parts. The spring is here. Just grind everything out. Got all the rust off everything. This is a new tube. I might have to make a new one because I flanged it because the old one broke. I might have to make a new one because I don't like how that look. I know I'm going to do a new one because that's going to leak. I know it's going to leak. Definitely going to do a new one. But besides that, we got the 2 little bolts for this. All right, so then we got the 4 here. Go put this on it, some Loctite. This right here is high strength. Well, we're not taking this back off. Once it's on, it's on. This is all the pieces. So this was I'm going to need to start this job in a minute, but I'm going to see if I can go ahead and make one of these now because I really don't like how that flange look. If I could take it off and reflange it, I might do that, but I really don't know. I don't like how that look. All right, so let me get at it. We'll put this on in a minute.